Here are three things about Rivian stock that smart investors surely know about. Now, there might be more things, of course, there are more things that smart investors know about Rivian stock, but these are the three that I think at the very least smart investors know about. So let's get started with this. First, Rivian is backed by Amazon. Amazon owns a significant piece of Rivian business, and Amazon, along with the ownership, has committed to purchasing 100,000 electric delivery vans from Rivian. That endorsement from Amazon has truly helped Rivian, along with getting that order for 100,000 electric delivery vans, gives it a core, a base of sales and projects that it can continue doing, even if other areas of its business does not thrive. The second thing that smart investors know about Rivian stock is that Rivian is in aggressive investment mode. Rivian is investing aggressively in growth. They've invested billions of dollars in manufacturing and research and development, and that's leading to massive losses on the bottom line. If you look at this chart I've pulled up here of Rivian's net income over the trailing 12 months, that has just gotten worse. And in the most recent update, it actually ticked better in the positive direction, but still, it lost $6.7 billion in the trailing 12 months as it is still ramping up production, as it's still investing in growth. It's already investing in the next generation of cars before it has even, fully captured the benefits of its first generation of vehicles. It's already investing to roll out its second generation of cars, which may or may not be a smart investment. However, it is leading to massive losses on the bottom line, and it's not sure at what point will Rivian become profitable? At what level of scale? How many cars does it need to produce and sell to become profitable? That's not sure yet. It's still in the very, very early stages of development. And the last thing, the third thing that investors know about Rivian stock is that it has deep pockets. As of December 31st, 2022, Rivian held $12 billion in cash and equivalents on the balance sheet, and that's enough for Rivian to set a goal of roughly doubling production to 50,000 vehicles in 2023. So its goal for 2022 was to reach 25,000 cars produced, and its goal for 2023 is to produce 50,000 cars, so nearly doubling the production output from the year to year. And of course, it's got that $12 billion of cash on its balance sheet to make that happen. Of course, it may revise this target lower, it might revise this target higher, depending on how the year progresses and how supply chain shortages allow it to ramp up production, and how customer orders, customer sales progress throughout the year. So this is something to keep an eye out for if you're looking at Rivian stock. And I'm sure that smart investors are also following this production target and observing how close Rivian is to meeting these targets, and any update that they get, they're measuring that against that yearly forecast. Now, Rivian has said it's got enough manufacturing capacity right now to produce 150,000 cars, but it's only going to produce 50,000 in 2023. So that's another thing that smart investors will be watching, is if sales prove robust, will Rivian truly ramp up these production targets and really go for it this year if they can entice consumer demand to produce that many vehicles. So that's going to be interesting, and certainly smart investors will be watching that. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. So there you have it. Those are the three things that smart investors surely know about Rivian stock. It's backed by Amazon. It's losing a lot of money on the bottom line, and it's got $12 billion in its balance sheets. It's one of the most deep pocketed EV companies that exist today. Thank you so much for watching. That's all I've got for this video. I've selected a few that I think you're going to enjoy that I also did. They're popping up on your screen right now, so please click on one of those and I'll see you over there.